Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the flagship from Xiaomi, the A810S. This is their 4K HDR powerhouse. So let's see what is inside this box. First we have this little envelope. Inside you will find the user manuals and some electrostatic stickers. There are two manuals, one for front camera and the second one is for the rear camera. There are some extra electrostatic stickers which can be useful. Now let's see front camera. It really feels solid. This uses Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor, which is basically the gold standard for night vision and 4K clarity right now in the market. This is a rear camera, also called RC112, and the display resolution is 1080p. Let's check out other cables inside the another box. So the first one is the extension for the rear camera. So we have two cables for the rear camera. One is with the camera itself and this one is the extension. Now we have power cable for the camera. This is quite long enough. You can connect with your camera and the charging port. Lastly, we have the main power cable and the 12-volt car charger port. It's a dual port plug, which is great because it means you can still charge your phone. This is a tool given for cable. You can use it, and this sticker is important to install your camera on a screen, so you can stick to the electrostatic sticker. That's all in this box. I will give you some more information about other cameras and I will compare with this camera. This dashcam has many important features, like it has a true 4K image capturing capability as compared to the A510 or either 810. So it is enhanced with the STARVIS 2 sensors. That is great for the video clarity in the day and also in the night. So for the night videos, they have a new feature, or you can say they are using a new advanced technology that is called the night owl vision. So in this, by using this technology, the pictures and videos captured in the night are excellent, very clear. Secondly, it has a 24-hour parking surveillance system and also 4G capability. So you need to buy an external external machine to connect with the 4G, and then you can watch all details even you are not driving. And it has other important feature is that it uses the supercapacitor, not the lithium-ion battery, so it's good for the cold or hot weather. And also it comes with the buffered emergency recording. It means that it captures a special recording, emergency recording for the collision only. So it's a great deal and great feature. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please write your opinion and comments. I would be happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.